Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make caramelized onion hummus. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start this recipe with one brown onion. Now just using a sharp knife, we want to slice through the middle. And we want to very thinly slice our onion. Just like so. You want them to be almost see-through. And we're going to need the whole onion for this recipe. So just into a pan on a low to medium heat, we're going to start by adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we'll add our onion straight in. And at this point we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, along with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So this will give our onions a sweet and sour caramelized effect, and that's what we want. So let's continue cooking on a low heat. You only need to stir this every couple of minutes, and this should obviously take you about 20-25 minutes. You just want the onions to be nice and soft and caramel color. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes so far. As you can see, our onions are nice and soft and have that nice caramel color, and that's exactly what we want. So we'll turn our heat off at this point, and we'll move on to making our hummus. So at this point we'll just need our food processor. So into it I'm going to add in 1 can of soaked chickpeas. Now these are just regular chickpeas you find in the supermarket in the can. And in this case it's a 400 gram can. And to our chickpeas I'm going to add 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we'll add our onions straight in, but I'm going to keep just a little bit as a garnish, so just about a tablespoon. So we'll put the lid on our food processor and on a high speed. After about 30 seconds we'll stop it because we need to scrape the sides. And once again, so we're going to have to repeat this about 3 times so it all goes nice and smooth. Once again we'll scrape the sides, but as you can see it's starting to come together. Now at this point I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and about 3 tablespoons of tahini. Now I'll put a link in the description on how to make your own tahini. Now once again on a high speed. And there we have it. Look at that beautiful smooth hummus. And we're ready to serve. So to serve it, we'll add our hummus straight in. And just flatten it down in the center, almost to make like a well. And we'll add some of our caramelized onion here, along with a generous dusting of paprika. And to finish it off, just a touch of olive oil on top. And there we have it guys, that's how we make caramelized onion hummus. Now storage wise, you'll get about a week out of this if in the refrigerator. But it is easy to make, so go ahead and make it fresh. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.